Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade Australian dollar versus US dollar. If you have learned even a little from this video, then please like and share the video. Let me apply the trade now because our entry is happening at the right time. See you guys after some time. Guys, we have $1,000 in this account which we want to grow. Currently we are incurring a loss of more than $100. Let's see when this loss converts into profit. If our setup is correct, then we will definitely be in profit. Now let me explain you the reason why we applied the buying trade. There have been a lot of up and down moves in the market here, but the market has been in a downtrend for quite some time now, which has created a perfect downtrend pattern. But here we have applied buying trade. Let me explain it to you through downtrend channel. The market has created lower high points on this trend line. All these points will connect well with the trend line, so that we can get the correct trend line. Further analysis will be based on this trend line. Take another trend line and connect it at the same angle to the lower low points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market was following this downtrend channel very well, due to which a lot of selling opportunities have also been created here. From this we could generate good profit. But here a trendline breakout has happened which has created a very good buying opportunity. Here we have placed the trade at the right place here. Now we have to draw a strong support resistance level which will tell us where the market can reverse in the future. This will let us know in advance whether the market will stop or move. I am using the rectangle tool to draw this level. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. As this is a strong level for the market, you can see at all these points that the market has repeatedly created support and resistance points at the same level. Even after the trendline breakout, the market took support at this level and is now preparing to move up. High probability chance it will go up from here because the market is following all our levels well, due to which we are confident that the market will give us good profits by making us earn good profits. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we place stop loss and target point, so that it becomes easy for us to exit the trade at the right place. Here my stop loss will be 10 pips below the strong reversal level. This is the perfect place for our stop loss. If the market breaks below this level, then the market will not go up again, and the target point will be double 20 pips above the stop loss. Here I am using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, which I do in every trade. Guys, here our loss has reduced and we will soon be in profit. If we manage this trade well, then this is a high probability trade. Let's place stop loss and target points. Guys, you can clearly see the stop loss and target points here. The market is following our setup very well, due to which we expect the market to go up. Always just watch the market after taking the trade, which will tell us how the market moves while creating price action. This is a part of psychology which always needs to be improved. Trading is such a job in which you will always get to learn something new. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in.
Wow guys, nice move. We did not expect this move at all because we had set a target of only 20 pips, but here the target of 80 pips has been achieved. This is a very big number. Here we had to keep our psychology very strong, due to which we were able to catch this move. Here we had a perfect setup, so the market respected this setup. Our target point was at this level, which was hit a long time ago. Currently the market is moving much above our target level. Now I will draw a level and tell you where the market can rest so that we can get an idea of the next move. Let's draw the level. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level a long time ago, due to which the market has moved downwards very well. This is a strong reversal level of the market from where we can expect that the market may reverse from this level. Always draw big levels which the market is following for a long time. Drawing such levels will improve your trading. Now we have to close the trade. We should not be too greedy in the market because greed is a bad thing. Guys, we are currently making a profit of more than $9,300. We had deposited $1,000 in this account, which has grown to $10,000. Always follow the correct setup which can make you earn profit. If you want videos of different setups, then you can check the channel playlist. Maybe this can help you in your trading. If you like this video, then please like it. If you are new on the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.